welcome to Angeli Media.
Hi, I'm Kasia. Poland, officially the Republic of Poland, is a vibrant country in Central Europe known for its resilient history, rich culture, and diverse natural landscapes. It has a population of over 38 million people, and its capital, the largest city, is Warsaw. In Poland, Christianity has influenced the cultural identity, political development, and social traditions of Poland. Although contemporary Poland is experiencing increased religious diversity, Christianity and Roman Catholicism continues to exert a profound impact on national life. To comprehend Poland's religious landscape, it is essential to analyze the origins of Christianity in the region, the historical interplay between the faith and national identity, and the evolution of the country's religious diversity. The formal introduction of Christianity in Poland is epitomized by baptism of Poland in 966 Common Era, during which Duke Mieszko I underwent Christian baptism. This event is widely regarded by historians a crucial spiritual milestone and a calculated political strategy. By aligning with the Latin Christian West, Mieszko not only enhanced diplomatic relations with neighboring monarchies, but also integrated Poland into overarching European cultural sphere. Following this pivotal conversation, a cadre of missionaries initiated the establishment of churches, educational institutions, and monastic centers. Throughout the Middle Ages, the Catholic Church ascended as a vital institution championing literacy, education, and governance. Monasteries were instrumental in the preservation of manuscripts, the training of clergy, and the advancement of agrarian practices. By the 13th century, Christianity had become deeply rooted in the societal fabric of Poland. During the era of Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, 1569 till 1795, Poland distinguished itself through an ethos of religious tolerance, especially in contrast to other European territories. The Warsaw Confederation of 1573 instituted legal protection for religious minorities, thereby fostering coexistence among Catholics, Protestants, Orthodox Christians, Jews, and Muslims. Despite the religious pluralism, Catholicism remained the predominant faith. The period between 1772 and 1918 saw Poland partitioned by Russia, Prussia, and Austria, resulting in the country's disappearance from the map for over a century. During this interval, the Catholic Church became central custodian of Polish identity, advocating for the preservation of the Polish language, tradition, and cultural heritage. Various clergy actively supported independence movements, further solidifying the link between Catholicism and patriotism. The 20th century brought significant challenges, including World War II. The Nazi occupation specifically targeted Catholic clergy, resulting in widespread arrest and execution, while the Holocaust devastated Poland's Jewish population, which had been one of the largest in the world prior to the war. Poland fell under communist governments, which attempted to suppress religious expressions. Nevertheless, the Catholic Church remained a formidable social institution. The elevation of Pope John Paul II in 1978 vitalized religious engagement in Poland and inspired the Solidarity movement, which played a crucial role in the eventual overthrow of communism. Faith emerged as a symbol of moral resistance and national unity. In contemporary Poland, the nation remains one of Europe's most traditionally Christian countries, with with a majority of the population identifying as Roman Catholic. Poland is home to various other Christian communities, including Orthodox Christians, Lutherans, and other Protestant denominations. The Polish Orthodox Church maintains a strong presence in eastern regions, reflecting historical connection to Belarus and Ukraine. Although the Jewish community is significantly smaller than before World War II, through festivals, museums, and heritage initiatives. Historic Muslim communities, such as Lipka Tatars, who have resided in the region since the 14th century, coexist alongside increasing Muslim, Hindu, and Buddhist population resulting from migration and globalization. In conclusion, Christianity, especially Roman Catholicism, has shaped Poland for over a millennium, influencing its cultural, social, and political dimensions. While Catholicism remains widely practiced, modern Poland is increasingly characterized by diversity. The current religious landscape reflects both that way.
Thanks for watching.